How to change wallpaper in mobile quick tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can change wallpaper in your mobile phone. So for that, let's go to settings of your mobile phone. Here you guys will see in your phone search bar option like search, so simply click on that. Now here you guys will simply search for wallpaper. Once you search for wallpaper, here you guys will see wallpapers, wallpaper style, but some phones you guys will simply see wallpapers, so simply click on wallpapers. Once we click here, you guys will see on top album workshop. So once you click on album, here you guys can select custom pick like any in gallery image and you can edit wallpaper. And if you click on lab, in lab you guys will see a lot of options. For example, I want to add that pic to my wallpaper. I will simply click on that. Now here you guys can see home, apply to home lock screen. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, that's it. Our wallpaper will be applied to home and lock screen. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.